Hey guys, Nick Drosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at how to do a shoulder pop. Now I love the shoulder pop. So the way it looks is if, let's say we're clinched and I'm here, what I use my shoulder to pop into his jaw, into his face. Now whatever I hit, right, I'm not necessarily aiming for something specific, but what's important if I shoulder pop is that one, I have to clinch, and two, as I pop the shoulder, I'm also driving it in. So I could, from here, just go boom this way, where I'm popping my shoulder into the jaw, into his face. So if we clinch, and I'm here, I grab my here, and I can also pop it. You feel that, Pat?
Yeah.
Now I'm not going hard, but let me just show you guys the strength of a shoulder pop. I'm going to shoulder pop you here. Come a little bit closer. So if I'm here, I'm just doing. So I don't need a lot of movement. It's just this. So I'm popping the shoulder. You only need a few inches to do some damage on a strike. So even if I'm here and I go, boom, and I open it up, then I can headbutt, I can bicep pop, I can jam here, release, and pop it. So I can do it both ways, same thing here. If I'm here, so from here, I just, boom, pop it this way. I can also use it. But again, I have to trap, and I have to pop the shoulder into the jaw. I can pop it upwards. And from there, it could open up to a bicep pop, a headbutt. Those little strikes, believe it or not, could do a lot of damage. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a collection of videos, as well as the link to the common attacks we'll put in the description box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.